Show me.
I need help.
What is that?
Holy!
What is that?
What is that thing? I don't know.
Huh?
It's pretty long.
What is that?
I don't know. Halili?
No.
Northern. It's a baby northern.
Okay, grab it around the neck. With your other hand, grab it around the neck. Up higher.
Up higher.
Grab it up here with one hand. And then take the hook out.
You need help, Lauren?
Should throw it back in the lake.
1, 2.
Good job, Lauren. Good job.
I'm not keeping any fish.
You gotta catch one that you can keep.
I don't know what to
Whatever I got is
catch.
Put a minnow on your hook.
Okay, here we go. 1, 2.
He peed on me.
He did.
The little gill can't.
That's worth a chicken and a biscuit.
No, we'll buy.
Biscuits. Still got my bait.
That's okay. That's a lucky one. Too quick on that one.
Tanner, don't I get a cracker because I caught a fish? What? I caught a fish. Okay, what kind? Oh, the bullhead. Yeah, I need a cracker. Come and get a biscuit then. Come, I need one. I'm fishing right now. Tanner, here. I need a biscuit. I think we're gonna get some fish because that boat is scaring them away. This way, that way, that way, or that way.
Finding all God's creatures out here today.
Yeah, I'm really lucky now.
Bullheads, northern,
Did you get it, Lauren?
crappie.
Mm-hmm.
All right. Okay, throw it back in.